Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to crop an image into a circle shape in Canva. So to start with, you're going to open up a Canva design. You're going to head to the left-hand side and you're going to click on Uploads to upload your own photo. If you don't have a photo, you can use Canva's photos by clicking on Photos. When you have your photo ready that you want to crop into a circle, we're going to click on Elements. So then you're going to type in frames into the search bar, click on Search, and the different frames will come up. So I'm going to click on the circle frame, and then we're going to add our image to it. So I'm going to find a photo to add. So just going to adjust that so it drops into the frame, and you can see the photo is automatically cropped into a circle shape. So if I want to edit that, I can double click on it and then I can move it about. I can adjust it, take it left or right, things like that. You can also rotate it, do different things with it till you get your design exactly how you like it. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.